O.J. Simpson was relaxed, at times even laughed as he talked about spending time in Las Vegas before the botched robbery.
Action News anchor Tina Patel watched part of the testimony with legal expert Al Lasso. She joins us now with more on his thoughts on this case. Tina.
Well, he said that you can still see O.J.'s charisma after all these years and that he may have appealed to jurors if he had taken the stand back in 2008. But whether he's swaying the judge now, that's harder to tell. It was something we had never seen before. O.J. Simpson on the stand testifying publicly. Legal expert Al Lasso said it was hard to know what to make of him.
It's hard to have sympathy for O.J. Simpson, but he does seem like a sad character, much heavier, older, grayer.
And claiming that he didn't get a fair trial in 2008. Based on Simpson's testimony and what prosecutors said earlier this week, Lasso says there may be something to his argument.
It does appear that there were some things behind the scenes that the public didn't know about that could have affected his defense going forward.
The two issues: whether Gail Galanter should have been his attorney since he apparently had knowledge of Simpson's plan to recover his sports memorabilia beforehand, and then whether Galanter did his job properly and let Simpson know about the possibility of taking a plea deal.
He received 33-year sentence, and the prosecutor was talking about giving him 3 years beforehand. So there's such a dichotomy in what he actually got and what he was offered. You have to sit there and say to yourself, well, is that something that is normal in a case?
But whether that something is enough to warrant a new trial?
It's very hard to say because we don't know what Mr. Galanter is going to say.
Lasso says he will be watching when Galanter takes the stand later this week, and of course we will be too. Stay tuned to Action News throughout the week for continuing coverage of this case. Live in the studio, Tina Patel, Channel 13 Action News.
Thank you, Tina.